Hello, friends. Today, the title of the book I'm going to be reading is Two Little Trains. And the author is Margaret Wise Brown. And the pictures, the illustrators, were done by Leo and Diane Dillon. Okay? Two Little Trains. Just opened a present. Two little trains went down the track. Two little trains went west. Puff, 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 and chug, chug, chug. Two little trains to the west. One little train was a streamlined train. Puff, puff, puff to the west. One little train was a little old train. Chug, 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 going west. Look down that long steel track. That long steel track to the west. Two little trains came to a hill, a mountainous hill to the west. With a puff and a chug, they went right through under that hill to the west. Look through that long, dark hill. That long, dark hill to the west. Two little trains came to a river going west. With a puff, 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 and a chug, 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 they went over the river to the west. Look down below the bridge. A deep, dark river going west. The rain came down on the two little trains, going west. And it made them darker and wet and shiny as they went on their way to the west. The snow came down and covered the ground, and the two little trains going west. And they got white and furry, and still in a hurry, they puffed and chugged to the west. The moon shone down on the gleaming tracks and the two little trains going west. And they hurried along and heard a song of a black man singing in the west. That sounds wonderful. Look down that long steel track where you and I must go. That long steel track and strong crossbars before we travel home. The wind it blew and the dust it flew on the two little trains going west. But the dust storm drew not a toot or a hoo or a whistle from the trains going west. Then the mountains came beyond the plain, and the train started climbing west. Up and around and over and through the great high mountain to the west. The ocean was big, the ocean was blue beyond the land in the west. And the little train stopped, their trip was through. They had come to the edge of the west. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this book, and have a great day.